Today's recipe is perfectly soft, spongy and light besan dhokla. Its sweet and tangy flavor gives a delightful taste in every bite. It is made with very little oil, so it's a great option for health-conscious people, and it's also gluten-free. This is 1.5 cups of gram flour, which weighs about 180 grams. Always sift the besan to remove lumps so you can get a smooth batter easily. In a bowl, add 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of tartaric acid and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Use regular room temperature water. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of oil and mix well until the sugar dissolves completely. Next, add the sifted besan. Use regular fine gram flour, not coarse besan. Whisk well to make a smooth, lump-free batter with a pourable consistency. Cover the batter and let it rest for 10 minutes so the besan absorbs the moisture properly. The batter should be neither too thin nor too thick. Too much water can cause the dhokla to collapse after cooking. Take a 7-inch container and grease it well with oil on all sides. Just before cooking, add 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift it, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix immediately. Notice how the batter becomes light and fluffy. Pour the batter into the greased container. Do not overfill it. Gently tap to level the batter. Take a large pot and add 1 liter of water. Place a stand inside so the container does not touch the water. Place the container only after steam starts forming. Cover and steam on medium-high heat for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, turn off the heat. Insert a knife. If it comes out clean, the dhokla is ready. Let it cool slightly before removing it from the container. Unmold carefully and cut into pieces. See how soft and spongy it is. For the tempering, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add mustard seeds, curry leaves and slit green chilies. Add 1 cup of water, sugar and a little salt. Once it comes to a boil, turn off the heat and add fresh lemon juice. Pour this hot, sweet and tangy tempering evenly over the dhokla so it absorbs well. Garnish with fresh coriander and grated coconut. Soft, spongy and delicious dhokla is ready to serve. Need the full list of ingredients? Check the description box below. For more Indian food videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.